iPhone 12 Pro. Wow. Very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
Just rip this tape off.
Yep.
Wow.
It's crazy. Oh, immediate fingerprints because I'm like sweating from nervousness. From excitement.
Oh my god, the gold
this?
is not that gold, right? I like that it's kind of like muted.
The old ones were the 11s, and they made.
But this looks way nicer.
They changed
right?
it. It does. It looks like a
like
nude,
gold,
like a pale.
So you just
See that shine.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Wait, I've heard these don't stain as much.
Yeah.
It doesn't. Don't. Yeah, this one got a nice fat fingerprint in there. Looks good.
I'm excited. Charge it up. Do you press and hold the power button?
Looks great.
The wire. And just a sticker, I think. That's it.
Yeah, they went really light this year. One sticker they used to do too.
There's an apple. There's a pin.
Oh, that's cute.
So.
Oh, this is for your SIM card, yeah.
Yeah, which is perfect. I brought an extra one in case.
Oh my god, look at this.
Wow, let's see. It was like Japanese letterings. What do you do? Oh.
I think we just put our SIM cards in real quick. Pretty sure.
Mm.
I don't like that. It's just like my hand dampness is causing like
Mine is more. Wait, let me try mine.
But it goes away.
Wait, mine is not.
That's really nice though. Do you like them both?
Mm.
Kind of.
Wow. It's like fully charged too, I think.
Perfect. Seen it here first. Okay. Let's get our SIM cards in here and then see what happens. Do you like the feel here?
Mm.
See like the size? It's not too bad.
Yours is heavier than...
With the case, yeah, for sure. Hey Siri, make the lights white.
Got it.
Alright, so we have successfully transitioned.
Just a moment.
From my, iPhone XR, white. Don't mind the magnet. Won't be needing that anymore.
Stand by, please.
Bruh. To this. Here we are. All its glory. Make this white.
One more moment.
Wait, why is my dude talking to me? It's resetting and telling me one more moment.
Something went wrong.
What? Wait, the Siri is trying to work while I'm factory resetting it? Holy shoot. It's crazy. Alright. No. Well, I got this phone. It's beautiful. So I don't mind this. I'm going to remove this. It's Friday. And Liz has a beautiful gold. She is going to have to start from scratch because she doesn't have an iCloud because she's coming from Android. So we'll see how long that lasts. Hopefully she enjoys her stay forever.
Also too.
But let's get a glimpse of that gold phone. I'm sorry, I know you're busy. Let's get a good look at this. Don't leak anything. There you go.
That's really nice.
It is. And it matches your jewelry and everything. It's nice.